Hello students, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study the first chapter of civics, that is the Indian Constitution. The first topic is to know about the definition of constitution. Wherever we go, we have to follow the rules of that place. Example, schools, colleges, institutions, roads, hospitals, companies, etc., which means every place is governed by some rules. Similarly, a country is governed by a set of rules or laws. These set of rules are called the constitution. The word constitution means important law. These laws may be written or unwritten. Every country has its own constitution. Constitution was framed by the Constituent Assembly. It comprises of 300 selected leaders all over India. The Constituent Assembly was headed by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He was also called the father of the Indian Constitution. Next thing to know is, why do we need a constitution? A country is usually made up of different communities of people who share certain beliefs but may not necessarily agree on all issues. So, a constitution helps serve as a set of rules that all persons in a country can agree upon. It serves the interest of the public by defining the powers and role of elected members of parliament and state legislature. Constitution provides guidelines to the democratic government to function smoothly. Let us study the key features of Indian Constitution. There are 5 key features. Number 1 is federalism. It means the existence of more than one level of government in the country. We have government at the state level, at the center level, and Panchayati Raj is the third tier of the government. Number second key feature is parliamentary form of government. It means representatives are elected by the people. This means that the people of India have a direct role in electing their representatives through elections and can also contest elections. Third key feature is separation of powers. There are 3 organs of the state. These are the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The legislature refers to our elected representatives. The executive is responsible for implementing laws and running the government, and the judiciary prevent the misuse of power by giving judgment. Number fourth key feature is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are also called the conscience of the Indian Constitution. These rights protect citizens against the arbitrary and absolute exercise of power by the state, as well as against other individuals. And the last key feature is secularism. A secular state is one in which the state does not officially promote any one religion as the state religion. People are free to practice the religion of their choice. The last topic in this chapter is the fundamental rights, which is also the key feature of Indian Constitution. There are 6 important fundamental rights. Number first is right to equality. This means that all persons shall be equally protected by the laws of the country. No citizen can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, caste, or sex. Second right is right to freedom. This includes the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to form associations, the right to move freely and reside in any part of the country, and the right to practice any profession. Third right is right against exploitation. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and children working under 14 years of age. Fourth right is right to freedom of religion. Every person has the right to practice, profess, and propagate the religion of their choice. Number fifth right is cultural and educational rights. All minorities, religious or linguistic, can set up their own educational institutions in order to preserve and develop their own culture. And the last is sixth, right to constitutional remedies. This allows citizens to move the court if they believe that any of their fundamental rights have been violated by the state or any other individual. I hope you have understood the chapter. Based on your understanding of the chapter, answer the questions given in worksheet. Thank you.